y'all, so we got the bike out. We're gonna do some starter fluid to try to get this joint started. I'm out here
I don't know.
sweating. Back up, because it smells like gas. Go back in there. So we're gonna take this off. Okay.
Hey, what she take?
The filter, go back in. Hold on. We got some, I don't know if it's focus, extra strength starting fluid. That works. Alright, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna start spraying. Hope I'm spraying in the right part. There we go. Uh-oh, almost got it, y'all. Ready? Ooh, that shit. Oh, I don't want to flood it. Back up.
No.
Alright, ready? Damn it. Ready? Go back. Oh, shit. That's why I said go in there. Alright, ready? Wanna try again? That's why you're absolutely right. You got it turned to where
Straight up, right?
It's on I think it's on reserve right now. Hold on. Nope, I think that no, because this is prime. No, right here it's on. Okay, now it's on. Come on, bitch, you're trying to. Now it sounds like it's not getting none, right?
Yeah.
Hold on, maybe. That joint sounded good though for a second.
Thought she was ready to go.
I know. Alright, this is on. We got it on. That's the reserve right here. This is prime it. Maybe we'll try. Definitely leaking. We'll try to prime. You think?
Yeah.
Let's try to primer.
I like she wanted to try to crank on her own.
Yeah. Alright. Oh shit! That's not good. That shit would have y'all saw that joint just catch fire. Oh man, hope we ain't fuck nothing up. Cause the damn filter not in there.
Yeah, that was you, this bitch.
Yeah, what's the thing? Should I not do anymore?
No, this hold up.
I took my shoe off. I'm like, yeah, I was like, I want to burn my damn face, but it got my hand look like I got these gloves on. What? Y'all saw it just catch fire. We got it. Go, you go in there. Feet off. Right here, the boat. Damn, Drake was sounding, yeah, it was sounding good. The Van Hines pipes. You go back over there. All right, let me get my keys. Damn, I thought it was like, because it was going to stay on for a little bit too. And take this out. I brought my tools. Hopefully I got.
That's what we say.
Right here. It's the switch.
You turn them on?
Huh? I just flipped it over. You turned this switch on?
No.
Oh, I must have did that last night. Then hold on, let me see. You got there's a switch.
The switch is down. I don't know what other switch it is.
Oh, what the hell is it? Oh, the sun. Right here. You go up there.
Wait a minute.
Back up because the exhaust will blow out. No, you go in there. Go. I'm gonna keep my face back.
Yeah.
This. All right. What is it on right now? Fuel or prime? Go back in there. Move back. All right. Ready? Good. Y'all hear that joint? It's something good. Oh, there it goes. Conking out again. Yeah, it's definitely gucked up. You go back up there. I know, back up. You gotta go. That's why I told you go in there. on at the bottom when the arrow thing is facing at the bottom.
Okay.
Like it's not on this one prime right now. It's facing down when because down here is on. So if you turn it, yeah, right there it should be on. They probably haven't started her in a while either. Yeah, I heard it was sounding pretty freaking good when it started. Let me see.
And it's primed. It should be enough in there for it to be primed already.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna need fuel. Alright, you move out the way. Go back there. We're gonna have to get another key for this joint, so just in case one break, got another one.
You want to keep it?
Not really. Back up. Shit.
That's it.
Alright. Yeah, battery starting to go again. Back up, the boy. Y'all see this? It was starting to crank on its own willpower.
So what do we gotta do to get it to let it crank?
Y'all heard it starting. This thing was sounding pretty good when it was starting on its own. Okay, the lights went out back there. We're gonna have to charge the battery. It's really sounding good. Alright, well, leave a comment and let us know what y'all think about this 96 Vulcan 800 Kawasaki. Other than that, I almost burnt my hand. I see the black on my gloves where the fire was. So, yeah, the battery's starting to die. They definitely sounded pretty good. Alright, y'all, well, this is going to be the end of this video. There'll be more videos of this once we get it running real good, but just wanted to film this, and yeah, this video definitely was lit, literally lit. So leave a comment below. If y'all not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do that. Go ahead, go follow us on Awesome Auctions. Link will be in the description, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. Well, not follow, subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram, Nini's Auto Reviews, and also follow us on Awesome Auctions Instagram. Catch y'all in another one. Alright, y'all, so we got the bike back inside. No more fires. I just overdid it a little bit on the starter fluid, so you know it caused, I say, combustion in the carburetor to make it backfire and push that fire out. But all is good, all is well. But the thing is definitely gonna need a cleaning. So we're gonna have to get the carburetor, taken apart and get it cleaned out so this thing will start and run properly on its own. And I got paper towels down there because the thing is leaking some gas. So when the gas is left on, so I turned that off. So we turned it off. So we turned that gas off because when you leave it on, it does leak out because it definitely needs the lines cleared down. I said cleared down. It does need the lines cleared out, so carburetor and the gas lines will need to be cleaned out. We should have got some carburetor cleaner too. I was thinking that. But yeah, this gonna actually be a full wrap for this video. We're gonna be bringing the other motorcycle over probably sometime today, this evening, so I can start tinkering with that thing too. That's missing a good bit, needs a good bit of parts. I actually think that thing needs like a whole carburetor and some other pieces. And I believe the front fairings on it. So we will see when we get it over here. Haven't seen it. Last time I seen the other bike, the Suzuki, the Katana, was actually the last video that I uploaded because it's just been sitting in storage collecting dust. So yeah, well, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch y'all in the next video. Don't forget to check out our auction channel. Awesome auctions, again, the link will be in the description. And we'll see y'all next time. Stay tuned.
Hey.